Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm very proud to showcase this house, which is located in the heart of Kangari. And on my right, we have the family members who in a short while will introduce themselves. And to my left, we have a familiar face and a person who will introduce himself. So let's start by introducing the family, and we can start with you. So karibu sana to the channel. This is Property Noma.
Thank you.
Feel welcome. You can introduce yourself and also your other family members. You can say hi to the channel. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Hi guys, my name is Jennifer Kemani, and I'm a daughter in this home. And next to me is my sister and my mom.
Hi guys, my name is Kelly Nyambura Kimani. Welcome.
Habari zenyu wote, mimi ni Mary Wanjiko mwenye hapa.
Hi guys, my name is Sammy Wambua. I know you know me. Kingdom Precast Solutions. I'm the managing director.
Okay, good morning. My name is Fidelis Maiba, a professional quantity surveyor and a construction project manager. Thank you.
So first of all, let me say you have built a very beautiful house.
Thank you.
This is a surprise, when you come right into the heart of a village, you see something like this. It's very inspiring.
Sure.
So what would be the main reason that made you build this beautiful house?
Maybe just to say a few. One, I've been following maybe on social media, seeing different designs of housing and everything. And then we got lucky. I got to know Fidel, who has been our contractor through a friend.
Yeah.
So after we introduced we actually talked about both precast and the normal house that we're used to.
Yes.
So, and the reason we chose precast is because it's affordable in terms of money, finances, and also it takes a short while.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can really go around with anything that you want, designs, anything. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So about the finances, what was your budget for this house?
I had budgeted for 1.4 to 1.6.
So to where it is now, the finished house, was it within your budget?
Yes, it was.
Wow.
Yeah, it was a gift to our amazing mom from her daughters. We are three of us, so we decided to gift her.
Yeah.
And just to say thank you for the work she has done.
Yeah.
Yeah, she has been an amazing mom to us, so this was a gift to her.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very, very inspiring. Maybe mom can say how she feels. So mom, ulisikiaje wasichana wako wakikujengea nyumba?
I felt so good. They made a surprise to me. They had not informed me. But one day, around 9, wakaingia na Fidel. Wakakuja kuona site. That's when I knew something is happening.
Yeah.
When we arranged on how to on the date to start, we had a mass for groundbreaking, and I had Fidel say that it won't take long. 3 weeks, everything is over. Surely, niliingia kwa nyumba on the 23rd day from start. Nikaingia kwa nyumba.
Yeah.
Na nafurahia sana.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, naona vile umefurahi. Hata sisi tunafurahi. Just sisi tumetoka na Sammy, tumetoka Nairobi, go a lot of projects. So tukiona imefika hapa na umeingia ndani, big achievement. And I say thank you for gifting her that.
Thank you.
Okay. So for Fidel, this is what size of house?
This is a 2-bedroomed bungalow house, and the square area is around 60 square area.
Okay.
Yes.
How long did you take to build it?
We took a maximum of 3 weeks, around 21 to 25 days. We had already completed the project. Yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
And this was built during the rainy season. Did the rains affect anything?
It was just before the rainy seasons, so the 3 weeks were done on a comfortable weather like this. Yeah,
Okay.
so the weather had not any disrupted in any way. Yeah.
How many panels did it take to build the house?
We bought panels, 85 pieces. 85 pieces were enough, and the channels were around 90 pieces for the channels. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
What height are we talking about for the panels?
Because we were not doing a gypsum ceiling, we went with the normal 2.5 meter high panels. Yeah. Yes.
Now, for Sammy, getting the panels from Kingdom Precast to here, how much are we talking in terms of logistics? And was it challenging?
Truly, it was not challenging. And we had a discussion with Fidel. He had told me about his timelines. So I was keen to make sure I don't fail him, because if you promise you should deliver this house in 3 weeks, then I can fail you if I don't play my part. So I was up to the task. I made sure he got his products in time. I'm sure that's true. Yeah. So this was only one truck. One truck to here is around 21,000 up to here. So one truck was good enough to ferry all the precast panels needed. This is one question that people always ask, or there's this mindset that I always try to take out of people's mind. The transport is expensive. No, it isn't, because now just imagine one truck carrying all the panels for this house compared to how many trucks maybe of the machine cart or anything you would take. That would be so much. Trucks of sand, trucks of cement. So this is just one product which combines all that, and even the hassle. Not unless where you're building there is no hassle, but the hassle of putting all these things together can be narrowed down, and life can be made easy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, looking at the outside, Fidel, what kind of roof did the clients choose to build?
Okay, we did a hidden roof. It's a normal mabati roof, but a flat roof. It is hidden.
Hidden, eh?
Yes.
Okay. So right now, I think we have taken a look at the outside. I'll show clips for all the sides for the exterior. But right now we can go inside, and she will take us through the house tour. So Jennifer, you're about to enter your house, your mom's house that you gifted her. Right now we are standing at the veranda. Was this part of the design you wanted?
Yes. Initially, when we were speaking with Fidel, I told him we would want, what did you call it?
A porch.
Yeah, a porch, a small porch and entrance. So that even if a visitor comes from outside, you have somewhere to put your shoes, or even put a chair when mom wants to relax. Yeah. So it was part of the plan.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the color scheme that you chose for? What are these colors called for the exterior?
I call it cream and green, but maybe she may know.
Oh, yeah, you chose the colors for the exterior?
Yes.
Okay. So what names, what can we give them, the names for these colors?
Hard to say because if you look at this color, it runs from cream to beigeish. Yeah. We wanted a warm color. The theme was a warm color, and then we will have something to break so that it's not a one.
It's not monotonous.
A one color. Yes, it's not monotonous. So this is, if you look at this color closely, it is not really black, not gray, not really green, but it's a shade of green. Yeah, I can't really remember the name of but it's a shade.
It's a shade of green.
Yes.
I was just asking because, people would want such a house, and then they just want this color. So maybe I thought one of you knew the colors offhand.
At Mudokinjo, they have the machines.
Okay.
So when you choose a color, they don't give you the exact name. They make it as a code.
Yeah.
So it is coded. So it's hard for us, but the color, the code can be found.
Okay.
We have it. Yeah.
So I think we can go inside.
Okay. Welcome to our home. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing this is the living room.
Yes, it is.
So beautiful.
Thank you.
I love the color scheme, the warm colors that you chose.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is also the same color as outside.
No,
Uh-huh.
it's different.
Yeah.
Not it's a shade of yellow. Yellow and a mix. Like Fidela said,
Yeah.
we went to the paint company, the manufacturers, and then they give you like a code to choose. And then if you want them to mix it for you, they
Yeah.
will do it and then you go with it.
Okay.
So I can check the codes later for you,
Yeah.
but it's not really a one color.
Yeah.
It was a mix of colors.
Yeah, I love
to achieve it.
I love the simplicity in the interior design.
Thank
From
you.
the curtains, even the couches.
Okay.
It's so beautiful. Yeah, and these couches are big, you know.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Your choice of chandelier.
Having that we didn't go for the longer panels,
Yeah.
and we were not doing gypsum. We didn't want a chandelier that would hang
Okay.
below. So, and then we also wanted something classy.
Yes.
So we went for this type of lighting for the dining, for the kitchen, and for the living room,
Yeah.
to accommodate the theme of the house. Yeah,
Wow. Okay. I can see that the living room is open to the kitchen.
yeah,
Maybe you can show us the kitchen.
yeah, sure.
Wow.
So welcome. This
Yeah.
is the kitchen area. So while designing the house,
Yeah.
I requested Fidel to do for us an open kitchen, an open kitchen house. So you can see the living room is just here,
Yeah.
and then the kitchen area is here. Because here we also wanted to give mom something very simple for her.
Yeah.
Like she won't have a lot of work to do, so
Okay.
she'll just do her business here, and then the
And
living
then-
room is just here. If she has visitors,
Yeah.
there were mama coming to visit her, watapiga story.
Yeah.
Yeah. When they're
Someone
here.
is doing
Their business here, cooking, and
the
then
guests are there.
Yeah.
It makes sense.
Hidden. It is
yeah, it's
semi-hidden.
semi-hidden.
She didn't want everything being seen. So that's why she wanted that.
So that's why this counter is high. Eh?
Yeah, that's why it's higher. And for serving, because my worry was serving because everybody is short. So she decided we have this small worktop where now you can lay your vyombos to serve to the people. Yeah, so this is like a buffer for people not, when they sit down, they cannot see someone cooking. Yeah.
And this door leads to now to the back of the house. Okay.
This goes to the back side. We'll later on we'll do a small slab here, but for now we were focusing with the house first, so that now we can, because the budget was limited based on the bills of quantities. That's why we decided first to finish the house. The external works will be done another time.
Something I forgot to ask.
Yeah.
In the 3 weeks the construction time, did it include also the finishing?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
So how-
actually, if I remember well,
Yeah.
we started on 29th
Of March.
of February.
Uh-huh.
So, and by 22nd of March, my mom was living here.
Wow.
Barely 21 days.
Yes.
Yes.
So how was that speed for you? Did you appreciate it, or was it scary? Just there are some people who find that speed very scary.
Not really,
Yeah.
because we had a conversation with Fidel for quite some time. So he had really prepared us.
Okay.
And like I had told him, I don't want something that will take time. I also want to start something and finish
Yeah.
Yeah, so-
And then importantly, something within the budget.
within the budget. And he told me, yeah, we can do it in 3 weeks. So one thing I made sure is be ready with finances so that I can also give him a smooth working environment.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm guessing you're left with the bedroom.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, like Fidel told you, it's a 2-bedroom house. So there's this 1 bedroom and there's a master bedroom on this side.
Okay.
And this is the common toilet. This is the common washroom and
Yeah.
a bathroom combined. And then this is there's a bedroom here.
Okay.
And then now There's a master bedroom on this side.
Oh, the master is ensuite.
Yes, it's ensuite. So we have the washroom and the bathroom,
Okay.
and then we have the bedroom.
The bedroom.
Yeah.
Wow. So your mom feels like a queen.
Oh,
when
she does. I believe she
You know?
does. Yeah.
It's a precious gift that you gave her.
Yeah, sure.
You know? Yeah, so whenever she sleeps here, she always feels nice. I'm very sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's happy. You can tell she's happy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is now the other room.
Yeah, this is the other room.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We also do want to consider a very big home, having that mom is alone and
Yeah.
yeah.
So at the end of it, how do you feel about Precast? What are your views?
Any day, anytime. Like I told Fidel, I actually have recommended some people to him, and I told him any day, anytime. If I'm building another house, even for my own, I'll still go for Precast again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Less hassle, the speed within your budget.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So would you recommend someone else, someone who has never dealt with Precast before?
Yes,
Do you
I would.
recommend that someone to build their house?
Yes, I would. The only thing I would advise them, just be ready with finances, because it's something that takes a short while.
Yeah.
So having that it's taking a short while, that says that you also, the money, it's every day there's some money you need, and not a small amount of money. So just be ready with finances.
Yeah.
And you'll enjoy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Having toured the Kimani's dream home, the gifts that the daughters gave to their mom, I hope you've been able to appreciate how the house looks like. It's a very simple house, and I know many of you have such aspirations to build something similar to this. So I hope this video has been of help to you. It has given you ideas, and importantly, it has shown you that it's possible to build a dream house even with less than 2 million shillings. Like what they said, they built between 1.4 and 1.6. Yeah.
Yeah, we would really want to thank God for this achievement, because God leads everything. So He saw us through the process, even coming up with the finances.
Yes.
It's not really a joke. So we thank God for the achievement of this home. We also thank Fidel for being patient with us and helping us through the project. And for him, I would congratulate him, because I actually didn't expect for the house to come out this beautiful.
Yeah.
So he really did an amazing job. So thank you, Fidel.
Okay. So with that, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. It's goodbye from all of us.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Adios.